You're getting chauffeured around in the Audi?
Brand new Audi.
What?
4 circles.
Okay.
Let the games begin.
Let the games begin.
Than last night.
Hey, I just figured out that today is my half birthday, February 23rd. We just drove from where the hotel is, northern Mumbai, down to southern Mumbai, and this is
Where all
going
the
to be
stuff's at.
all the shiz is down here.
Yeah.
So okay, let's go in and eat some first meal, baby.
Yep.
First meal. Let's go.
it.
Alright, now this actually looks pretty fire. We got the keema minced lamb with the omelet and bread. Typical Mumbai breakfast. We got these little toasted rolls. Oh, these are so cute. These are so cute.
They're soft too.
Oh my god. Alright,
Get in there.
I'm gonna get.
Hands only.
So you eat with your hands, hand style. So I'm gonna get this on there.
Yep.
And some keema. Oh my God!
there.
Hashtag fire, baby. Let's go. First meal Mumbai. First
Indian
meal
breakfast.
India. Let's go.
Good. Yeah. We're grubbing. Very good. All with the hands. Delicious, huh, Blige?
I mean, take one of the bombest rolls I've ever had with a very awesome omelet and some of the best curry that you've ever had.
Get yourself an Indian breakfast.
Just throw some curry flames
that.
on your plain breakfast, and you got a flame
Throw some curry on that
Indian
shit.
Mumbai breakfast. Basically, that's what it is.
Throw
baby.
some keema on this shit.
For 150 years, been here.
Boom.
Come here. You will probably be here when you come to Mumbai. See you. Let's see some more. Just had a local breakfast, and our tour guide is buying a single cig.
You know.
Yeah, the single cig. Like how we buy single swishers back home. You get the single cigs up here.
You know.
Yo.
Oh my God! Smells delicious.
Oh my God.
Smells like Quiznos.
What do we have?
Samosa masala.
Samosa masala.
Hey, Park.
But potato mix masala.
Oh my gosh.
Yo,
Look at
Park.
these street sandwiches, guys. This is what I read about. This will be YouTube.
You too. Very good.
Look at this bread.
Smells bomb. You smell it?
Wow, and what do you have? Oh wow, look at that. Oh, looks delicious.
Looks delicious. It does.
Thank you. Oh my. This is one of the most exotic. Do you guys admit this is one of the most exotic street foods I've ever seen? Look at this. It's like
Sammy.
Get up in there. It's the straight Sammy. It's got the samosa masala at the bottom, the tomato, and then the beetroot, and they toast it up. Oh, and then the straight cheese on top. This is what the hype was all about. Reading about Mumbai street food. It's right here, people. Oh, no!
We found Jimmy John's.
Oh my God. That's what we're talking about, man. This is what people want to see on YouTube. They want to see street food.
Fire street food.
They want to see
What you grubbing on?
this. They want to see this. They want to see how people be eating, how people be munching around the world. All right, Park, come over here.
Get in there, Park.
Grab that piece.
All right,
Oh.
here we go. Get in there, P. Scoot a little closer. Oh. Wow.
If they had these at 7-Eleven
Fire.
in Thailand,
Little square sandwiches.
That'd be the munchie.
Be the munchie hit.
I tell you guys, the hype is real. India,
Yeah.
baby, first day. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go.
Boom.
Okay, guys, Prince Wells Museum audio tour. First audio tour ever. Look at this little. Okay.
Museum was cool, guys. Saw a lot of shit, a lot of cool shit. Old shit, new shit, all types of shit.
$250 feet high, 1857? Yep. First tower in Mumbai, guys. First tower in Mumbai. Write that down. Don't forget, it will be on the quiz Friday.
Yeah.
Oh shit, we're not in school anymore.
Bring a number 2 pencil.
Mumbai University. School bus. Don't be late. Quiz tomorrow. guys, as you know, cricket be the #1 sport in India. Here we are in the middle, huge Central Park. A couple cricket games going on. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful day. Not a cloud in sight. Everyone is just having a good time. What's up, my bros?
Hello.
What's up? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. What's up, brother? Okay, beautiful day. Beautiful day in India, people. Woo! Guys. On the Mumbai rail station, aka BTS of Mumbai. One thing is, it doesn't smell like a scented bathroom over here. Put it that way. Is the gateway of India, the official gateway, which means it's the gateway open to India.
Sesame.
That's what it means.
Mumbai's.
So if you want to come into India,
Replies.
you got to come in through this gate, which we did. Our plane flew through this gate. It just folds up its wings and then comes through the gate and then unfolds and then goes over the Taj Mahal right there and then takes you to your hotel. So this is how you get into India. We did it, guys. The official gate. We made it. Ah! Yeah, the fish market is right there. No wonder this is one of the worst smells even I've smelled.
Yeah, worse.
Oh, worse. Okay, yeah, I've never said it's like hard to breathe.
Oh, dude.
It is some of the worst smelling.
This is fucking disgusting.
Biggest market in the city, that was that. The fish market, worst smell in the universe. Now we're taking the public bus back. He's like, come on, come on, come on. That street chai tea. Local tea, India style chai tea on the streets.
So good.
Delicious, huh? Hot, but not too hot to drink. It's got that ginger flavor, the chai flavor. This awoken me to a new level after that long walk through the market and trip on the bus.
Needed this.
This is so good. Get a shot of this, it's like very cheap, 10 cents, 25 cents or something. Oh.
Cheap.
From the street burgers to the first 5-star hotel in India, the Taj Mahal, and they have this little buffet where it's all like 5-star hors d'oeuvres and shit.
Yeah.
And they have this little lamb slider, but there's no bun. It's just a lamb bun. How did I miss this the first one around?
Fire, bro.
That ball of lamb,
High tea.
and then this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Get in that orange sponge. Oh wow,
That was
hit
the
you.
best.
Oh, I need one.
Best thing of lamb. All right. Up. Whoa, what is this?
What is that? I don't know. I just grabbed it because it looked fucking delicious.
That was crazy. Okay, this one was lamb. Anyways, look at this place, guys. Basically a cracker with all of India on it. That's a bite of India. 5-star bite of India.
Bite of India.
So far.
Game over.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at that little.
This is a crunch ball of all Indian yogurt and a sausage, basically. Okay.
Yeah. Hurry up and enjoy. Boom.
It literally exploded
Yeah.
in my mouth.
Yeah.
Like I crunched down on it, then it went.
Disperses. Mm-hmm. My man, the chef right here,
Wow.
cooked up some heat.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh, they even can make it snow inside the 5-star hotel. Make it snow. That's good, keep the guests cool.
Okay, that was the first 5-star hotel in India. Taj Mahal. Let's continue it. He's got some sort of cornflakes with some mango and some red onion salsa.
First is a dream city, second is a economic city. Dream city because most of the people they come here to become an actor and achieve their dream in their different fields. So those who work hard, they achieve their dream very easily. And those who did not work hard, they get unsuccess, they go back to their places.
Gotcha.
Yes.
So Mumbai is a place of meritocracy
Yes.
where you kind of get what you deserve, get what
Yes.
you earn.
Yes.
Okay. So it's fair. It's a fair city.
Yes, sir.
On that.
And other name is a economic city because all over India the economics runs from Mumbai city only. And if you are a businessman, if your product success in Mumbai, that means your product success in India as well as Asia also.
Great.
And the population of this city is 27 million people.
Ooh!
Yes.
27 million. That is fucking crazy.
As we're shopping. Look at these. This is like White Castle, Bombay style.
Yeah, they are little White Castle burgers.
Mumbai Vada Pav.
Wow. All right, guys. This is the veg patty. Park, hold this. As I'm getting my ripped shorts fixed, I'm just standing here in my boxers inside of this carpet shop, about to take a bite into the Mumbai veg burger, the most famous street food in India, in Mumbai. So,
I will join with you. Wait.
Okay,
I
come
will
on,
join
man.
together.
Shop owner here. I'm the owner.
Very nice, delicious. There are some potatoes and some onion also.
Wow.
Ginger is also
Ginger.
very nice.
There's a little bit of ginger, potato,
And some mint.
and some mint in there. Just very aromatic street food stuff right there, guys. Veg life, India life.
Legit
We
food.
are going to upload on the YouTube.
You okay with being on YouTube?
Yes, why not? I love.
If you come to Mumbai and you need a carpet or you need some scarves, very beautiful stuff, come to Sam's shop.
Sam, got you. What you got, Sam?
Yeah, Century Plaza.
Very
I
good.
love you all. God help
He really does too, man. He really does.
me. Yes.
He's even got some tea for us.
Chai tea?
Stop booking lange.
Oh yes.
You guys eating?
Who's fixing this first?
You eating? True.
Okay, true. Awesome first day in India, guys. Couldn't ask for a better day. See y'all in Goa.
Yeah.
We go to Goa tomorrow. We in the India.
Yeah.
Going to the Goa.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys there. So if you know anyone in the
Hit us
Goa,
up.
hit us up.
Yeah.
Church. One.
Hundred.
Burger to the face.